Lesson 1. I am very hungry. Mommy, I am hungry. Hello, Beary. Do you want to make a sandwich? Yes. I want to make a sandwich. Hello, I am Mr. Bread. You can call me Mr. B. Wow. Bread. I like bread. Here is some cheese. Yummy! I like cheese very much. Hi, Pint. Now, hundring laugh and rest of fonts. This is ham. Ham is very delicious. Hello, I am a tomato. A red tomato. Yes, I am sweet and red. Are you ready to cook, Beary? Yes, let's make it. Lesson 2. Let's learn kitchen tools. This is a cutting board, Beary. A cutting board. It is hard. And this is a plate. Oh, a plate. It is a nice bed. Ha ha, ha, ha ha. This is a knife. Be very careful. Yes, Mommy. I will be careful. Look. This is green lettuce. Lettuce is my good friend. I like green lettuce too. This is butter. We spread it. Butter smells so good. This is mayonnaise. I do not like mayonnaise. That is okay. We have everything. Are you ready? Yes. Okay, team, let's make it step by step. What do we do first, Beary? First, I take the bread. Yay! First step. I am ready. I am ready. Good. What do we do then? Then, I spread the butter. You are doing wonderfully, sweetie. Just like that. So careful. What is next? Next, I put the cheese and ham. And put me. Put the tomato. I put the tomato and lettuce. And finally? And finally? I cut it. I cut it. I am very careful. Great job! You made a beautiful sandwich. Lesson 4. Time to eat. It is so delicious. I like it. Glad you do. What did you put in your sandwich? Cheese, ham, tomato, and lettuce. No mayonnaise. Hello.
Something smells very good.
Daddy, I made a sandwich. Do you want to try?
Wow! Yes! Let me taste it.
Here you go, Daddy. Please eat it.
Oh, wow. This is so delicious, Beary.
I am very proud of my sandwich. I am happy. Can I make a sandwich again tomorrow? Yes, you can help me make lunch tomorrow. We are a very yummy team. Making a sandwich is easy and fun. Enjoy your sandwich. See you next time.
Bye!